Hi everyone, my name is Charmaine Messer, and in this video we will be discussing Java arrays and I will be tracing my code. An array is a sequence of elements. I think of it as containers that you can store elements in. Here's my main, and within my main I created 3 arrays. The first array right here is an integer array that has an index of 9. And this array specifically doesn't contain any elements within them. This line of code basically declares an array of integers that I named my array. Int is the data type, it stands for integers, and the number within the brackets is the number of indexes. In other words, this line instantiates that my array has 9 contiguous indexes, and it looks like this, with no values inside. The second array that I created is shown here on line 21. It's also an integer array, however this one contains elements within its indexes. Those are the numbers inside the curly brackets. The number 1 will be in index 0, and it's that way because the index is based on the distance of it from the beginning of the array. So it looks like this right here. The array number array would have the index numbers on top, and then within them are the elements. So in index 0 is element number 1. In this line, I'm assigning the variable myInt with the element contained in index 2. Then I will print the element that's in index 2 by compiling my code and running it. And here it shows that the element in index 2 is 3, which is right here. And then here I'll be showing you how to alter a specific value in the array. So this line right here, number r close or bracket 2 equals 20, is assigning the new number 20 to the index 2, and number r, this part of the line right here, accesses the element in the index 2. Now I'm assigning the variable myInt with the element contained in index 2, and to print it to see what it is, I'm going to go ahead and compile and run again. And now you see that the element in index 2 is now 20, which is here when I changed it to 20. So index 2, the value is 20. And the third array that I created is a character array, which is right here. It functions the same way as an integer array, except that it contains characters. Char is the data type, and it stands for characters, and the name of this array is character R. And within the curly brackets, just like the integer arrays, are the elements that will be within the indexes. Here's the loop that I created that will go through all of the indexes of the array and output the elements within. And I can show that by compiling again and running. And here it shows the index and which index it's in, and then the element within it, which spells out Charmaine, which is my name. And then lastly, this line will output the total number of indexes within the array, basically the length of it. So if you didn't know, because here we didn't assign the number of indexes, we just gave it the values, but it automatically knows how many indexes there will be. And so this line will show that. And there it is. Total number of indexes is 9. And on this side, that shows the length of the array, which is 9. And that concludes my video. Thank you guys.